Hi everyone, welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen. I am here today with Chef Val from OUT School of Community Medicine. Thank you for joining us as always. And I always love learning about different things. So what are we cooking today?
So we're doing a corn and black bean salad.
Okay.
With a chili lime vinaigrette.
Ooh, so very kind of summery, refreshing.
Yes, and so maybe you got some fresh corn while it was in season, or maybe we're still having some fresh corn depending on where you're getting it from. And so if you don't have fresh corn, you can definitely use frozen corn kernels, and that's just great too because it's already cooked and you can just dump it in the bag.
Oh, okay, so that is cooked. You have
Yes.
you have to cook it and then you're...
Yes, so we have 4 ears of corn that we just dipped it into boiling water, took it out, let it cool, cut it off the cob.
Okay.
Okay, so we have our corn, and this is 1 can of black beans. We did a low sodium. They're drained and, well, they're sort of drained and rinsed. And we have some cilantro. Go for it on the cilantro if you like cilantro. Some red pepper.
I just love all the color.
Yes, it's a beautiful salad. And then we're going to make our chili lime vinaigrette. So we have some lime zest, and that really adds just such a floral element to it. And then we have our lime juice. We'll squeeze that in there in a minute, but we have some olive oil, some apple cider vinegar, some chili powder, cumin, a pinch each of salt and pepper.
Just smells so good. Again, I always wish people could actually smell what we're doing.
Yes.
Because it smells so good and so fresh.
Forgot the red onion.
Oh, okay.
More color.
Throw that in.
Yes. And then we'll go ahead and add the lime juice.
Okay. Oh.
And so if your limes are a little bit hard, you may already know to just give those a roll on the countertop to kind of loosen them up and make
you got
the
quite a bit of juice out of there.
a little bit easier. And whisk that up with a fork.
Now again, can you make substitutions for dietary needs, or this is pretty much follow this? And...
Absolutely. I mean, like if you don't like or don't have black beans, use another kind of bean. If you don't like cilantro, which some people really don't, use parsley or leave it out altogether. You don't have a fresh herb, for sure. Red pepper we're using, use green, use yellow, use green onion if you're not an onion person. Add garlic to this if that's something that you like.
So you can kind of mix and match, make it your own.
Yeah, for sure. So this would be so good with some grilled salmon or grilled fish, sauteed shrimp, all really good.
Well, that was my next question. Can you use it as a side? Can it be like your main? Just depends on what you're making with it, basically.
Absolutely. I mean, I can see this being good even with a poached or fried egg on top of it.
Okay.
You could serve it as a side dish, as a main. I think it has a lot of possibilities here.
Goodness, the color is amazing.
I'll let you take a little taster there.
I have to. It's way too good. If you can see all that color, I'm just excited about all the color.
And again, fresh corn, yes, we have that in season, but let's, don't forget that you can use the frozen corn also.
It is so good. And I like the crunch and the zest that kind of goes along with it as well.
Good.
It's very good. Thank you. It's always good. What am I talking about? If you want to learn more about this recipe or any other recipes, go ahead and head to KJRH.com.